Ye chun tao tao, my boy yem long ye fai o. Ye, Jim Ting, Lao Hai, my tupwa. Long time no see. So today we have lesson number 18. Now just a quick note on this lesson. In the last lesson, number 17, I told you that this would be the last one before we summed everything up. However, I've decided to actually break it up into two parts. So this will be the penultimate lesson, the next will be the last, and then after that we'll have a summary of the entire automaticity script, which is designed to get you to be able to have this specific conversation that helps you to use the Iu Mien language, to learn more of the Iu Mien language by asking questions to native speakers. So, if you recall, the last lesson, lesson number 17, left us off with the line Yin ham tai mei hai sorry, a little forgetful. Yin ham tai mei hai tang ye hokong mien wa gao jun ye. So, that means I think that you can help me to learn Mien a little better. So here's your next step. Once again, this is a type of conjunction word that links what you've just said to what we'll have in the lesson that follows. And your word is this, hnangv or hnangv. Now basically they mean the same thing. Hnangv means like this, and hnangv are the words hang plus which is a contraction of the word nai, and then na. And this one basically means like that. But in English what we would say is so then, or therefore. So, here's your line after lesson 17. Yin ham tai mei hai tang ye hokong mien wa gao jun ye hnangv or hnangv. Hnangv kind of all runs together, and sometimes it almost sounds like all you're really saying is hang and na, but the little tiny is in the middle of that. Don't worry if you don't say it perfectly, but practice this, and if it's easier to say hnangv, just say that. And that will bridge you to the last part of our script, which we'll see in the next lesson, and that'll be the question that opens up everything for you. So once again, here it is. Yin ham tai mei hai tang ye hokong mien wa gao jun ye hnangv or hnangv. You're gonna get this and you're gonna love it. This is good stuff. You've got this.